Today I received this cool little garage door opener. It's supposed to be teachable to learn the code of your already working remote, and it can control up to 4 devices like a privacy gate or the garage door itself. You're supposed to be able to set it in program mode and put your other remote there, and it copies the code. Hopefully this works good, because it's hard for me to find a replacement remote, and some of them have a learn button on the unit itself, which mine doesn't have, or they have those dip switches, you know. Let's see if we can understand these instructions. I saw a video online of how to do it, but let's see. We want to enter program mode. Let's see. Hold button 1 and press button 2 4 times. Then release both buttons. The LED of the universal remote emits a quick flash every 2 seconds. Place the original remote in front of the remote until it starts flashing quickly. While it's flashing, press the button on the universal mode. Alright, let's try that. I would love if this would work. I have 2 garages here. Let me get my original over here. Here's the original. It's an old Sears Craftsman. This would be nice if it works. I'll be so happy. It's so cool and small, see? Keep it on your keychain for when you're out jogging or walking your dog. Run home and open the garage door. Alright. Okay. Hold button 1, press button 2 4 times. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. I should blink. Okay, it's blinking. Put my original remote near it. Oh, this garage door closes. It's gonna close on me. Be careful of that too. Let me move this camera quick. Okay, we wouldn't want that to happen. Okay, it's flashing. Now, put this close. Imagine I should push this button. Still flashing. No, it isn't. Let's go into that mode again. Okay, press and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Blinking. I don't think that worked. I would like it to work. Let's try something else. Yes, that's for garage door openers. If you have a learn button on your garage door opener, that must be pressed. I don't have that. So I'm going to just try it again. Might be too good to be true. Cool little remote like that to open your garage. Hold button 1, press button 2 4 times. Then release both buttons. Should flash. Okay. Place and press the original remote control in front of the remote, 2 or 3 centimeters, until the LED on the universal remote starts flashing quickly. While it's flashing, press the button of the remote where you want to copy the code. Try it again. Back, front, back. It's not flashing quickly. Oh! It's flashing quickly. Maybe I was too close before? Until it goes out, it says. It's not going out. How about if I just press that button? I'd really like if this works. Ah, it works! It works! Hey, look! Alright. Alright, now let me get my other garage door opener. That is so cool. Make sure the original one works. Yes. And the replacement. Yes. There you go. Alright. Let me get the remote out of my truck for the other garage. Right back. Alright, here's my other remote. Different type. Clicker brand. I had a problem programming this with both garage doors because, like I said, it doesn't have the learn button. But I use the dip switches, if you know what they are. And this only works one garage. It would be so cool if I get this little thing to work both garages. Alright, let's do this again. Press and hold 1, and press 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we're in that blinking mode now. I'll put this. This is probably going to open my other garage. Yeah, it opened the other one. I hear it. Gotta get it just right. Too close, too far, too far, too close. Both garage doors. The other one keeps opening and closing. Work. Well, I got one of them to work. I might get it yet. Hang on. Yeah, I got it. It works both garages now. Look. Oh, I'm so excited. Hang on. All right. That's door number one. I'll go out and I'll show you door number two. It took a few tries, but I got it. And it was such an inexpensive price. Check it down there. Let's go out. I'll show you both garages. Here we are outside. We're going to try both garage doors. Here's number one. Yeah. And here's number two. Yeah. Both going up. I'm so happy. That's such a cool gadget. And it only cost about $19, I think. I'll put a link down there. Let's close it now. Close that one. Close that one. And if you had more garages, you can do 2 more buttons or an entry gate or something like that. Check it out. Stop back soon. Subscribe. We're going to have some more cool stuff coming up. See ya.